Welcome to Nathan Hale Magnet Middle School, where learners today make leaders tomorrow. We are home of the proud patriots, and our mission is to achieve academic growth and create a community of productive citizens that compete globally. My name is Aisha Station. I am the assistant principal in charge of athletics and activities.
And my name is Anton Schmidt, and I'm the assistant principal, data administrator at Nathan Hale. Nathan Hale is a 6th through 8th grade magnet middle school with a focus on leadership and social justice. Our magnet courses focus on developing the personal leadership characteristics in our students and analyzing and developing solutions to social issues in our community. We have an amazing partnership with the University of Nebraska at Omaha that allows our students an opportunity to experience hands-on service learning.
Nathan Hale is a smaller middle school, which allows us to build a close-knit family community where students receive individual attention in a safe environment. We are a diverse community of learners from all over the city. Nathan Hale also has a wide variety of athletics and activities that promote leadership and engagement for all students.
We hope to see you all soon at Nathan Hale Magnet Middle School. Go Patriots!